Hi guys, it's Shani from Yiannimize and it is 2017. We had some monster sounding cars in 2016. Here's a quick compilation. First up, my Urban SVR. Exhaust. This car has got a full custom Miltec exhaust. It sounds awesome, you're about to hear it. It's also 750 brake horsepower. Let's have a listen. So I hope you enjoyed that video. It's just a quick sounding video. Comment down below, let me know what your favourite was. I'm going to give you a little secret. My Ferrari 488 Spider is in the unit. It is being wrapped next week. This video is live today, which is Friday. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you soon. Hi guys, it's Yanni from Yiannimize, and today I'm wrapping my car. Not that's already wrapped in chrome silver. I'm wrapping this, my Ferrari 488 Spider. It is in a lovely blue. Everyone said to me, don't wrap it. I've said it before, I've got to wrap it, I own a wrapping company. The colour I've chose, I'm so happy with. It's a great colour, it's gonna look awesome. Ready for the summer. I hope you enjoy this video.